Good afternoon, guys. I'm going to do an object lesson on peace. So why did Jesus come? Well, he's the one who's able to restore your broken relationships with, say, your family, your friends, your neighbours, or your teacher, or even God. Let's have a look at what the Bible says in the book of John, chapter 6, verse 33. Jesus said, "I have told you these things so that in me you may have peace in the world. You will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world." Because in life we're going to have troubles, and in the world we're going to have troubles. But in Jesus, what we're going to have is peace in this world. And I'd just like to illustrate that with these two bowls. So one bowl, this one here, is filled with coloured water, and this bowl is filled with clear water, and I have two sponges. So think of the coloured bowl as the world and the clear bowl as Jesus. So what we get from the world is things like fear, we get things like worry, we get things like resentment, bitterness, grudges and anger. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff. So when you're in the world and you're dipping yourself into the world, all you're going to get out from it is the same stuff as that goes in. See? So you dip yourself in, and all the stuff that goes is the same stuff that comes out. And that is worry, resentment, bitterness, whatever it is, whatever goes in, it's got to come out. Guess what happens in the world when we get squeezed? See, we get pressure, we get stress, we get troubles, problems, all that sort of stuff. And that's what happens when you get squeezed. They're all going to come out. And if any of you have got fear from the world, it's going to come out, because fear comes out. And it's the same with anger. If you've got anger in the world and you're in the world, it's got to come out at some point. But here's the thing. But in Jesus, if we have Jesus in our lives, what we put in, we get out. So let's look at some of the fruits of the Spirit. So, see, we get love, joy, peace, self-control, goodness, kindness. It's all good. If that's what's inside of us, when we have Jesus, that's what's going to come out. It's the stuff from Jesus, see? So when we squeeze, and the squeeze is on, and the pressure and the stress start to kick in, and you know that, and we know it happens, because we do get stressed and we do have worries. We carry these things of this world, but still, when we get squeezed, because we've got Jesus, the thing that comes out is the same thing that's gone in. Is love, kindness, goodness, hope, and peace. So when you're squeezed, and you're in the world, and you've lost your way, and you're under pressure, and you're stressed, and you squeeze is on. But you know what? If you accept Jesus, and then you put yourself into the Jesus side, and you've given your heart to Jesus, all you can do then, because you've already been squeezed, is be filled with Jesus. And then when you get squeezed another time, all that comes out is the stuff that was in Jesus. Is goodness, is patience, is love, is peace. It's just the way it is. See, when you're in the world and you get squeezed, all that comes out is what's in the world. But when have got Jesus in your life, and Jesus puts good stuff in, all that comes out is Jesus. Guys, I thank you for today, and I'll speak to you tomorrow.